Did you know that core network engineers do much more than just plug in cables? They play a key role in keeping our internet running smoothly and safely, handling complex problems that most people never even notice. Introduction. Core network engineers are essential in today's tech-driven world. They design, build, and manage the networks that allow us to stay connected, making sure everything works smoothly behind the scenes. As technology becomes more important in our lives, the role of these engineers is more crucial than ever. Problem. Many people think network engineers just deal with cables or fix simple issues. This stereotype does not reflect the real depth of their work. Their job is actually much more complicated and important than most people realize. Development. Core network engineers do a wide variety of tasks. They design networks, implement new technologies, and solve complex problems that affect millions of users. They also work closely with other IT teams to ensure everything is secure and running effectively. Whether they are stopping cybersecurities, integrating new systems, or making sure networks can handle more users, they are constantly tackling challenges to keep our digital world functioning. Key movement. For example, during the 2017 WannaCry ransomware attack, it was core network engineers who quickly fixed vulnerabilities, updated systems, and worked tirelessly to restore normal operations. Their quick thinking and expertise helped prevent even bigger disasters, showing just how important their role is. Summary. Core network engineers are much more than cable handlers. They are the designers and protectors of the networks that power the internet. Their work involves solving complex problems and requires a deep understanding of technology. As we rely more on technology, their role becomes even more vital. What do you think about the role of network engineers? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to watch our video on tech careers to learn more about this exciting field.